Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a little unboxing for you of something a little bit different. So those of you who are into the more witchy side of my videos will probably be interested in this, and of course anyone that just likes things that smell gorgeous will be interested in this. So this package comes from House Witch Herbs and Crafts Limited. They are on Etsy and they're also local to me. So I've ordered a few bits from them. We have got, lots of lovely things. So we've got a business card here. Super cute. I love that logo. So there we go. We've got Anne-Marie, who is the owner of the business, and there is all of their details. So do pop on over and support them. I'll make sure that these are linked down below as well. So what did I order? Let's have a look. Everything smells amazing. So these are wax melts for an oil burner. Or we have got, look at the sparkle in that one. We've got chocolate orange. We have got Hocus Pocus. And we have got Witch's Brew. That is positively fluorescent. That's fabulous. So yeah, they smell amazing. So these were just £2.50 each for these. So I went for 3 different flavours, and then also got a little tea in there as a little gift, which is lovely. This is Twining Sleep Spiced Apple and Vanilla with Chamomile and Passion Flower. So I'm definitely going to be trying that one tonight. And she has also been kind enough to pop in some little samples for me. So sample wise, we have got cinnamon bark and white ginger. Oh, that smells lovely. We've got a trick or treat wax melt. Oh, it smells very much got lots of kind of candy scent in it. And salted caramel apple cider. Oh yes, so they are the ones that I chose are edging sort of onto the autumnal side, but that's what I like. So she's been kind enough here. She said thank you for your order, enjoy your wax melts and samples, and she has created a 10% off coupon for me to share with my subscribers. So that is Crafty Witch, all uppercase, and can be used all across the Etsy shop, which is housewitchherbs.etsy.com. So if you pop in Crafty Witch, all uppercase, in the little box on your order, you will get 10% off. So huge thank you for doing that little code for me. I can't wait to get these brewing in a little wax pot. And yeah, they are fab. As you all know, love to support a small business. You know, she's a fellow witch. She's local to me, and anybody that goes and supports her, I will be so grateful. So please do pop on over. And she also does little spell bottles. There's lots and lots of lovely things on her website, and she seems to be adding new things all the time. So do go and check that out. So yeah, super quick today, just a little one. Don't forget, this coming Wednesday will be the first prize draw for the #Familiars in Feb event. Do check out the live. That will be at 8 o'clock on Wednesday. So I'm going to leave this here. I hope that you are doing something nice for yourself today and sharing the love with those around you. Do remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.